Paint is the ultimate tool for any DIY renovator because of how cost effective and how transformative the results are. So I'm going to show you how you can transform your entire exterior just using paint. We've all driven past homes like this one behind me. Whilst the homeowners have already started renovating the inside, we all know first impressions last. Hello.
Hi, Shannon.
Mel, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Welcome to my house.
Thanks for having me.
In.
I've got a few samples. What's your inspo for outside?
Like the inside, we want to keep it really fresh and neutral and light and bright.
So I know you love the coastal look. I like the white and grey, and a pop of colour is always really, really good.
This is my daughter's favourite toy.
So that's our inspo.
That's my inspo.
I love it. Can we colour-smith this bad boy?
Let's do it.
Whilst a pink door isn't exactly coastal, it's okay to add a touch of personality to your overall style. And Colorsmith is a great way to capture any colour and personalise it by adjusting the tints and the shades.
Great. So now we've got the right paint colour, it's time to bring this 90s throwback into the modern era. Make sure you remove any dust or dirt by thoroughly washing the brick home with soapy water. Next, we're going to need the right tools to get the job done properly. You will need painter's tape, good quality brushes, rollers, a roller extension pole, roller trays, drop cloths, a sturdy ladder if you need it, and of course, the right type of paint. Now, not everything is going to get painted, so you want to cover up anything that's not getting a first coat of paint. So your paint colour is about transformation, but your undercoat is about longevity. I've been painting for more than 20 years, and Taubmans 3-in-1 is literally the best undercoat I've ever used. Now, the producers of this video have bought me a roller, which is cute if we're painting a doll's house. We are painting a brick wall, so we need a roller. So this is a lamb's wool roller. It's got 20 mil of nap. The 20 mil will help you get into all the nooks and crannies. The lamb's wool will get enough paint on the wall so you're not dipping all the time. This is going to make life a lot easier. Get a decent roller. Don't underestimate how much paint you will need. Brickwork soaks up paint like nothing else, so make sure you get plenty. We're using Taubmans All Weather for this job, which will stand up to the Aussie climate. It won't peel or flake, and any dirt just washes away with a hose without ruining your finish.
Paint the sky with light.
So this has been a huge transformation.
It really has.
How does it make you feel?
I feel so happy and proud when I come home now. It looks amazing.
And it's so easy.
And it's so easy.
Yeah.
So
Great.
easy.
Paint the sky with light.
And there you have it, a total transformation in just a couple of days. And as you can see, painting can be an inexpensive way to give your home a quick facelift without the cost of a whole renovation.
Paint the sky.